Hi guys, welcome to Lancaster Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site. Been a lovely day today, and we are one of 4 in the UK under the umbrella of the Cox Motor Group. And today I have for you to look at 2014 Toyota Yaris. It's the Hybrid XL CVT edition, 1.5. and it is the electric petrol hybrid. It's variable speed, obviously the 5-door hatch in metallic bronze, silver alloys, integrated brake light in the spoiler, tinted windows at the rear, and it also has a panoramic roof. A lovely little car, great little city car, excellent to drive, very comfortable, very nippy, and it's one of those cars that you can quite easily park anywhere. Just a quick look inside for you. So it's a mixture of leather and cloth. There's a panoramic roof which does go all the way to the back. So if there's any questions you'd like to know about this vehicle, or rather answers to any questions about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive, and we also do a video walk around tour of the vehicle as well. So if there's anything you want us to highlight or pinpoint, we can do that for you, no problem. And we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.